Good morning. Welcome to Whimsical Wonder Farm. So today I am going to show you what I make the birds for a breakfast. I posted the video yesterday about the birds are here, and I thought it only fitting to show you what specialness they get in the morning. Back when we owned the birds until we sold them last year, I used to cook for them all the time. And I used a book that I got off of birdtricks.com, and it's awesome. Bird Tricks, they are awesome over there. I've learned so much throughout my years of raising these birds, and you guys ought to check them out. So here's the book that I use for cooking. I bought it and printed it out, and there's so much stuff in here. So today we're going to use Dave's Magic Scrambled Eggs recipe, and then I'm going to add a little more to it than he says to add. But here we go. So we have our 3 eggs. We have some carrots. We have some cut up cayenne peppers, some yellow squash, some mung beans that I'm just going to throw on top after it's done cooking, and cilantro that I'm going to throw on top after it's done cooking, and some green bell pepper, and then I'm going to shred some of the cuttlebone on top. And I'm also going to add a pinch of Himalayan salt because it's pretty good for them, and I'm going to cook it in a little bit of coconut oil. Coconut's always good for everybody. So here we go. All right, here we go. We're going to cook this up for the birds. I hope you all can see me, but at least I hope you can see what I'm doing. So here's my coconut oil. Put a little bit in there and bring it up to heat. Bring the heat up. All right, now we're going to put our eggs in there. And these are farm fresh eggs. And a little bit of eggshells. This recipe I will not be eating. Normally I can eat all the recipes, but when I put eggshells in it, you don't want to eat that. Let's do a little bit more eggshell. We'll go ahead and put our carrots in. Carrots, our bell peppers, our squash, and then we'll just mix it up. Beautifulness, it's going along. You want to make sure the egg gets completely done. Alright, I'm going to turn off the fire because it's done. Then I'm going to add the mung beans, the cayenne pepper, and some cilantro. Mix it up real good. Then I'm going to get a plate. Then we're going to plate it. Add a little bit more cilantro. Grate up some of this cuttlebone. Oh, it's right here. And then a pinch of salt. Now we're going to let it cool completely before we feed it to the birds. All right, it's all nice and cool now. I'm going to go get the birds and see what they think about it. I decided to put some fresh wedges of pear and some blueberries in there too. So let's go get the birdies. All right, here they are. Let's see what they think. What do you guys think, huh? Here's some food, look. Right here. There's food. What? The birds or the dogs scare you? Ducati's gonna dig in. What about you, Bee? Do you want some? Look. Here. Don't step on me. No, no. Oh, goodness. Ducati, eat. They're not liking it as much as I'd hoped for, but this is their first time since they've been here. Hello. Hello. Eat, Ducati. Hello. Eat. Look. I think she wants me to hand her something. Here. She has to be hand-fed. Oh goodness. We're in trouble. It smells so good. Alright guys, enjoy! Enjoy your food Mommy made you! Alright, so it wasn't as a big a hit as I thought it was going to be, but it'll be alright. They'll get used to it, and then we'll do another video at a later date of them truly enjoying it. So say thanks for watching. Say bye-bye. One day they'll say bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking. Don't forget the thumbs up. Thank y'all. Till next time.